Hi everyone, so my name is Hayes for those of you who do not know, and today I have a fun unboxing on the Valentine's Day Jeffree Star mystery box. Yes! Okay, I was just calm down. Okay, I'm excited, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. And I do have a handy dandy little knife, so let's go ahead and cut into this. Okay, we're gonna cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I'm excited. Okay, let's close her back up. Safety first, if I can do it. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, look. Oh, how exciting. Okay, okay. Calm down, calm down. So first, I have this cute beanie. Yes, let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, how cute. And it says Jeffree Star. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, next. Ta-da! Okay, this is already unwrapping. Was it just covering that, or I don't want to get cheaped out. No, okay. This is the gloss. Ah. So it says 2 finishes: glitter fantasy and extreme shine, juicy delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Ah, okay. And this one is in the color Succulents. Ah, okay. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, open it backwards. No. This is so cute. Oh my God. Like, how cute is that? Oh. This is so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and try her out already. I really have been looking for a perfect topper, so okay, I'm excited. Okay, let's move on. Next here, it does look like we have a little Jeffree Star pop socket. That is cute. I think I know what this is. This is the last thing in the box. I think I know what this is. I think this is the mirror, and I've been wanting this. Ooh, okay, let's open it. But let's look at this packaging. Oh, it has all the little aliens on it. It's kind of shimmery, which I don't think you can see, but okay. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics alien. Okay, okay. Okay, so I thought it was the mirror, but it's not. So that's all I see so far. Oh, how cute. I've been looking for a purple like that. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. And it's like magnetic. Like, do y'all see that? I love it. Oh, I want to cry. Oh my God, so I've been wanting to get like the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, but you know, your bitch is broke. So I haven't. And And oh, there's just so many stuff that I've seen, and I wanted to get the medium one, but unfortunately they were sold out so quickly. So I did get the smallest one, which I think is the premium deluxe, no, premium, I'm not sure, but I got the smallest one and I'm really happy. I wish I would have got the bigger one now. Next time, Jeffree, I will be there on time. I'm so excited. Okay. Can y'all see all my little goodies? Like, girl, I don't know how to act now. Yes, I can't wait to create a look with this. If y'all are interested in seeing a look with this, go ahead, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Okay, so I guess that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was short, but thank you for taking the time and watching it. If you would, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Just click it. Yes, okay, now we're friends, we're homies, yes. And you might as well just go ahead and click that notification bell as well so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. But until next time, bye guys.